Hey guys, and thank you so much for joining me here on Product Perspective. Today I'm going to be explaining why I put an order in for the Tesla CyberTruck. And I mean, you could call it an order, but it's only $100 down, and you pretty much, you put in your order, you pick what you want out of the 3 models, and then you just hold your place in the line of how many people have already put their orders in. So by the time it's released, 1 to 2 years, depending on which model you picked, and what line you're in, so probably a good 3 years for me until my truck is ready. Then you would pick the rest of your whatever, interiors and stuff when they come out with all that stuff. But I put down $100, and I put it down 4 days after the Tesla Cybertruck came out. And actually 3 of my other brothers put down their orders as well. So 4 of us potentially could have Tesla Cybertrucks in 3 to 4 years. But mine is more of a, I wanted to get in place. I didn't want to wait because, more and more orders come in as you wait, and that means you get pushed back for when your truck is made. And so I wanted to get in there. I got in about 180,000 plates. So kind of, it'll take a little while to get my truck made, but it is a lot of money. And I did pick the middle model. So it pulls 10,000 pounds, and it has a range of 300 miles. So really good range. I mean, the specs are what blows it for me for the Tesla Cybertruck, along with 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. So insane. This is the double motor, so one on the front and one on the back, spinning each wheel, so you still get all-wheel drive. So something that is really nice. The price is $49,900, and you can add the $7,000 on top of that for the self-driving, the full self-driving. So it still has a self-driving, but just the beta. So when full self-driving comes out, you won't be able to get that. You can get it added later, but of course I'm trying to save up for it, so I'm not going to spend that extra $7,000 right now. But overall, I mean, the interior, I mean, I don't know about the interior. That whole front is kind of different, and I'm not sure if I like the interior as much. But really, the outside of the truck is very different looking. And I mean, you guys already know this by the pictures. And you're either going to hate it or love it. I am kind of on a verge because I like it, but at the same time, it's still a really weird looking truck. And here's a fact of the day, is this metal, as you can already tell by when he slams the sledgehammer into the side. I'll show a clip here.
Yeah. Really wind up. Nail it.
I mean, it's incredible. It doesn't make a dent. But the metal, it's called cold steel, and how that actually works is not how it works, but how it's made, how it's so strong is they actually cannot put bends in it. They can't bend it or mold it. And this is actually something that is very interesting, because if you look at the Tesla Cybertruck, I mean, you can tell it's all angles. I mean, there is not one curve on the truck. And I mean, I'm sure they wanted it to look like this. It wasn't just because of the metal, but it can't, it just has seams. And to actually bend it at all, you have to put a score and then bend it. So there's not going to be any really round, you could put a whole bunch, but it's going to weaken it. So kind of interesting, and a really neat fact that most people probably don't know about that cold metal is because it's so hard they can't bend it. So another really neat fact there. The overall just look of it, I mean, it's very modernistic. And you can tell that I'll show pictures here, the tailgate actually pulls out as a ramp. You also have a cover over the back, and also some really neat things in the bed as well. You have these really neat hooks and stuff that you can hook, adjustable hooks. I mean, you don't really know a whole lot right now because it was just the show. I can't wait until they come out with more pictures, more things you can customize on it, but this is incredible, and I can't wait until either, I'm pretty sure I'll get it, but if I don't have enough money by then or whatever, something happens, I may end up canceling. But I hope I do end up keeping it because I can't wait until I can drive this truck and own one. Thank you guys for watching. Just thought I would tell you guys some specs on it and why I decided to put a down payment on it. Down payment, order, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys give this video a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys back in another video.